Hi everyone, this is Dale, and today I'm making a snowflake and I'm going to show you how to do it. This is worsted weight yarn, size 4, and I'm using a size H hook, but I also have made the snowflakes with the smaller F hook. You start out making a chain 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and join to the beginning of the chain and make a ring. And then do 12 single crochets inside the ring, and I'm going to do them right over this tail so I don't have to weave it in later. 1, 2, 3. Just have to move that tail out of the way while you're working. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Join with a slip stitch to the very first single crochet you did. So there is your first round right there. For round 2, chain 1, and we're going to single crochet in the same stitch where you just put the join. Now next do a chain 3 and single crochet in the next single crochet. So first the chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet in the next stitch. And do that 10 more times. Chain 3 and then single crochet in the next stitch. Alright, so I'm going to do that 10 more times and then I'll be back. I've completed round 2 and I did the pattern 11 times, the 3 chains and then single crochet in the next stitch. So there's 11 here. In the next stitch you do a half double crochet. So yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through all the loops. And it looks like this. Alright, on to round 3. Chain 1, do a single crochet where you did the half double crochet. Now you're going to do a single crochet there. In this space you have here, do 2 double crochets, a chain 3, and 2 double crochets, all in this big space. And there's 1 double crochet, two double crochet, then a chain 3, and then 2 more double crochets in the same space. There's 1, and there's 2. In the next large space, just do a single crochet. Now we're going to repeat the pattern. In the next space, do 2 double crochets, one, 2, a chain 3, and 2 more double crochets. Alright, the next space, just do a single crochet. We're going to continue that all the way around. So I'm going to finish this and I'll be back. Okay, I've come to the end of round 3 and you'll see that it ended in a space where you did the 2 double crochets, the chain 3, and the 2 double crochets. So now do a slip stitch. You have to do a slip stitch in the next single crochet, and to find that, let me see. So over here you've got your chain 3, your 2 double crochets on this side, and your 2 double crochets on that side. So you want to go to the stitch before it where the single crochet is and do a slip stitch right there. This one right here. Alright, so that is the end of round 3. For round 4, do a chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do a slip stitch in the same stitch. Next comes a chain 2. Now in this next big space, the chain 3 space, you're going to put a lot of stitches in there. It's going to be a single crochet, a chain 3, a single crochet, a chain 5, a single crochet, a chain 3, and another single crochet. Yes, that will all fit. Alright, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, Another single crochet in the same space. Now chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another single crochet in the same space. Now a chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And finally another single crochet in the same space. Okay, so it's going to look like that. Do a chain 2. In the single crochet right here, do a slip stitch, a chain 4, and a slip stitch. So slip stitch, a chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and another slip stitch in the same space. Alright, and that'll look like that. And we are going to repeat the pattern. Next comes a chain 2. So in the next big space, do a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the same space, and then a chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in the same space, and a chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and a single crochet in the same space. Next comes a chain 2. In your next single crochet right here, do slip stitch, chain 4, slip stitch, like we did before. Slip stitch, chain 4, 2, 4, and slip stitch in the same stitch. If I can get it. Come on. There we go. Alright, we're going to repeat that pattern all the way around, and I'll be back. Okay, so I finished round 4, and it ended on one of the spaces that you did a lot of work in, the single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. So now do the chain, a final chain 2. Just do a slip stitch in the slip stitch of the previous round. And your work is done. You can fasten off. The tail I can already cut off because I wove that in at the beginning. And just have to weave in this last piece. Okay, I wove in the end, and this is what your completed snowflake looks like. And you can put a thread on there and hang it somewhere. And there's some more. This one I made is a little smaller. I made that with the F hook. So there you go. That's how you make a snowflake. All right, until next time. Bye.